The 2014 BMW M4 GTS by Vorsteiner. The BMW M4 is getting a lot of publicity these days. And the number of aftermarket companies that have come out of the woodwork to build programs for the new sports coupe are certainly helping build upon its popularity. Some programs are more comprehensive than others, but the point is simple: the M4 is getting a lot of love. Vorsteiner's the latest company to take a stab at the M4. The German tuner didn't build a kit that's as complete as its contemporaries, but it did manage to effectively create one that improves the car's credentials. For this particular kit, Vorsteiner decided to add a GTS front spoiler, a GTS rear diffuser, and a set of exhaust tips. There are some graphics mixed in, too, specifically the subtle racing stripe that runs the length of the hood. The entire program is subtle, so there's no reason to make it more than what it is. I won't even be surprised if this kit is just the first stage of a more elaborate program in the near future. Vorsteiner's done something like that in the past, and maybe it's going to do it again. The BMW M4 is powered by a 3.0-liter inline-six engine that churns out 425 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. With that kind of power, the M4 is capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds and hitting a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Click past the jump to read more about the BMW M4 GTS by Vorsteiner. BMW M4 GTS by Vorsteiner in detail. Some people may scoff at this program and lament the lack of extravagance that comes with it. I can't dismiss that, partly because I see it myself. That being said, the new components the tuner added are all top quality, beginning with the GTS front spoiler that attaches itself to the factory M bumpers. It's going to add a little weight to the front, but thankfully, the component is made from lightweight carbon fiber. More importantly, this spoiler provides added downforce to the front section of the M4. Around back, Vorsteiner developed and installed a lightweight carbon fiber aero diffuser. Like the front spoiler, this component latches onto the M4's factory bumper and gives the M4 a more muscular appearance that plays well with its impressive performance capabilities. The final piece of this three-component upgrade are the new exhaust tips, which are a Vorsteiner exclusive. These tips come in either a brushed aluminum or diamond black finish and were developed and machined to integrate seamlessly with the M4's OEM exhaust. It doesn't even take a lot to install the items themselves. BMW M4 Coupe.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.